Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and as this cosmic grey Ep3 Civic TypeR warms up, I'm going to tell you that we're going to do an ECU exchange and remap today. It's had some modifications done by our Jensen this morning, and we'll do a stock power run before we do an ECU exchange, and we'll get tuning. So here we go, let's make some noise. On the Civic EP3 Cosmic Grey, my favourite colour.
You never mentioned it.
Well, I do mention it.
Oh, you have now.
If I had,
if you hadn't mentioned it, you have now.
if I had an EP3, it'd be Cosmic Grey.
Well, this is an alright car, to be fair. Nice car, nice and clean underneath. Got a 3-inch exhaust. I'm not exactly sure what make it is, but it's a 3-inch. We've fitted
It's a Miltec.
Is it Miltec?
3-inch from Tegiwa.
There you go.
Thank you, Johnny.
So we fitted a 4-to-1 Decat manifold. We have fitted a Dynodaze induction kit. We have fitted some hybrid racing shifter cables. Now, obviously, that's not necessarily anything to do with the power, but we have
all
fitted
available
them.
on the website, guys.
We have fitted them. I think that was it on this car, and then obviously ECU exchange and map did really well. I mean, it made good power in I'm not going to use the word stock form. It's not stock form.
Once modified,
yeah, once modified,
and its initial run, it made 231 brake horsepower, and we actually finish on 231 brake horsepower, which is a little bit deceiving. But we've made wheel horsepower, we've made power in the mid-range, haven't we?
Yeah, but what you've also got to remember is that it was the AFRs were not correct.
No.
So in the sense of like, it's made power because it's running a little bit leaner, and it's made power because you put modifications on, but it was obviously mapped for the modifications. So we've made power obviously before where it made peak power. We've made peak power, or we've made basically more power across the whole graph, apart from peak power, which is happened to be exactly the same. Generally, we say on these, if you make 230 on a stock manifold or above 230, that is as good as it's getting. I believe that's the case in this instance. I think it would respond really, really well to a Inlet manifold at this point. But you know,
available on the website.
This is what we're faced with. So
each car on its own merit.
Each car on its own merit. Should we have a look at that graph?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Well, there we have it. Red line is as she came in. Blue line is as she leaves. Yeah, and the first run was obviously modified already. So we got the maximum amount of peak power we were getting at 231, but she leaves on 231 and 193 at the wheels, an improvement at the wheels there, and you can see that gain in the mid-range as Richard was talking about. Right, that's another Cosmic Grey EP3 mapped. You right, Jeno? Yeah? I love Cosmic Grey, so code word is going to be Cosmic Grey. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Jeno? We will indeed.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.